If you're looking at real estate syndication, you've probably seen two options: deal-by-deal investing and funds. Most people don't fully understand the difference, and that lack of clarity could cost you control, transparency, and returns. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how these two models work and why the structure you choose matters more than most investors realize. With a deal-by-deal approach, you review each project before you invest. You see the address, the photos, the financials, and the strategy, and the projected returns. Then you decide if it works for you, asking yourself questions like, does this project fit my goals, my timeline, and my risk tolerance? If it does, you invest. If it doesn't, you pass and wait for the next one. Once you invest, you own an equity share in that specific property. That typically means you can track the project from start to finish, see construction updates, review financials, and know exactly where your money is. When the property sells, you receive your share of the profit for that specific deal. It's transparent, it's direct, and it gives you more control over your investment. Now, let's talk about fund investing. With a fund, you invest in a pool of capital managed by a sponsor. The fund manager decides which properties to buy, when to buy them, and when to sell. You generally don't choose the individual deals. You trust the manager to make those decisions for you. Your returns come from the fund's overall performance, not from any single property. That means if one project does well and another underperforms, your return is averaged across all of them. You also don't own direct equity in the specific property. You own a share of the fund itself. So, what does this mean for you? Number one, control. With deal by deal, you are in the driver's seat. You pick the project that aligns with your strategy. And with a fund, you're trusting someone else to drive. You typically don't see the deals until after they're already in the portfolio. Number two, transparency. Deal by deal offers you more visibility into each project. The location, the numbers, the timeline, everything. With most funds, you see high-level performance, but not the details of every individual deals. Number three, ownership. Deal by deal means you own an equity share in that specific investment. It's tangible, it's trackable, and it's yours. With a fund, you own a share of the fund, not the real estate itself. And number four, flexibility. With deal by deal, you can build your own portfolio. Maybe you want 3 projects in LA, or maybe you want to focus on shorter timelines. You decide. With a fund, your capital is locked into whatever the manager chooses. You can't pick and choose. Now, to be clear, none of them is right or wrong. The question is, which one actually fits your goals? Funds can work well for investors who want to invest a lot of money quickly without reviewing each deal. Deal by deal works well for investors who want control, transparency, and the ability to build a custom portfolio. It depends on your goals, your timeline, and how involved you want to be in the decision-making process. At Gatsby Investment, we use a deal-by-deal structure. That means every project we offer is presented individually. You see the location, the financials, the construction timeline, and the exit strategy before you commit. And because each property is held in its own LLC, your ownership is clearly defined and your liability is generally limited to your investment amount. This structure also means you can track your investment in real time through your online dashboard. You will see construction photos, status updates, and project milestones as they happen, not just at the end of the year in a summary report. We built this model because we believe investors deserve control, transparency, and direct equity ownership. Real estate is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, and the structure you choose should support that. If you are an accredited investor and you're ready to explore deal-by-deal investing, click the link in the description below. Our team will walk you through our current project and help you find the investment that fits your goals. Let's build your real estate portfolio your way.